y'all, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and welcome to Lazy Cooking with Sabrina. As you can see in the thumbnail and title, I'm coming back with another Instapot cooking video, and this time I cooked a whole chicken in there and it came out super yummy. If you like this type of content, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and y'all don't be stingy now. Definitely share this video out. It helps my channel grow, and I appreciate all your love and support. But enough of the talking, let's get into the video. Alright, in a bowl, I'm going to mix up some spices. As I told y'all plenty of times before, I don't measure my food, I just cook my food to taste. So first I start off about 2 tablespoons of some Slappy Mama seasoning. Then I put about a teaspoon of some oregano, teaspoon of basil, and teaspoon of thyme. And I also put about a half a teaspoon of some smoked paprika. I put about, I want to say about a little bit over a teaspoon of onion powder, and definitely a full teaspoon of some garlic salt, and then I just mixed it all up. And I also forgot I put some black pepper in there. Alright, now I have my chicken. I seasoned my chicken. But before I did that, I have my Instapot set at the saute section. So that's getting, all nice and hot. It doesn't take much time, but while that's getting all hot, hot or whatever, I'm sitting here and I'm just sprinkling the seasoning that I already mixed up as I showed you previously, and I'm making sure it's all around, kind of like how you season your turkey. You just make sure it gets everywhere inside and all that good stuff. Alright, I already drizzled a little bit of olive oil in there. Now I'm just plop that chicken in there and I brown both sides. Now once both sides are nice and brown, I got my little tonsils out and I stuck the tray in there. Just to let you know, it had a little bit of difficulty trying to get it all in there, but it worked. And now I cut up one whole apple and a half of a lemon, and I'm just going to stuff the chicken with the apple and the lemon. That keeps the chicken super juicy and actually makes it taste super delicious. So that's right now I'm just trying to place it in the rack, and I was having a little bit tough time there for a second, but I finally got it together. Alright, once I got it placed on the rack, I put about a cup or so of chicken broth in there, and then after that I just closed it up and I cooked it for about 30 minutes. I changed the setting to the meat setting, and that was it. And this is how my chicken came out. The kids loved it. It was super delicious. Seasoned to the bone. It was juicy. I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you tried it, definitely let me know in the comment section or Instagram. Definitely tag me. I would love to see your photos. I appreciate all the love and support that you guys show this channel. Definitely go ahead and share, like, comment, do all that good stuff, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in my next video, and as always, guys, God bless. Mwah.